Meaning of Edward R Murrow.
Edward R Murrow.
Edward R Murrow.
Edward R Murrow.
Edward R Murrow. Edward R Murrow was an American broadcast journalist and war correspondent who was best known for his integrity and courage in covering events such as World War II, the McCarthy hearings, and the Civil Rights Movement. He pioneered a new type of journalism that emphasized personal observation, analysis, and commentary, and his work helped establish the role of the news media in shaping public opinion. Murrow's legacy continues to inspire journalists today, and he is regarded as one of the most respected and influential figures in the history of American journalism.